Hey guys, in this video I'm going to share the hair experience with you, and I'm teaching you how to take good care of the blonde hair. So this is the case from the customer who bought the 613 blonde lace front wig from me. And she had a problem with the wig after she changed the color of this wig. So let me share with you the experience. Let's come closer to have a look at this one. I ordered a single donor version hair, the front wig. Pay attention, the blonde color, okay? This is a 613 blonde color. I got a hair last week, installed it last night, and I'm super surprised. The quality is terrible. The wig is shedding more than your other hair, okay? She thought my other hair is very good. The other hair is this hair is rough and has many threads, and I am surprised because your bundles are good, but this wig is really bad. So all this, she used the purple shampoo and conditioner, then blow dry the straighten it. So this is a normal case from the customers if they don't know how to take good care of the 613 blonde wig. So I'm going to share with you. I started to ask her any questions. Let me show you this one. She said the hair has no weight, it's still fluffy, density feels under like this, blah blah blah. I asked, you color the hair to gray, right? The purple shampoo tinted. She tinted the wig, no hair dye or processing, just purple shampoo and conditioner. This is what she said to me. After you change the hair color, then you blow dry it immediately. I asked her. I wash and deep condition, then I blow dry. Okay, now the problems come. Does it need a protein treatment? You see? Let me show you what she just sent to me. The hair color she changed to like this. Look. So this was the 613 blonde color originally we shipped to her, but she tinted the wig or changed the hair to other color. And if you did blow dry the hair too much, or if you did not put protein treatment on the hair after you tinted the wig, it will have problem like this one. And even you don't use the straightener. Remember, don't use a straightener to straighten the wig, to put the straightener on the hair for too long time. I'm not saying you cannot use a straightener. I'm saying don't use a straightener to put on the hair for too long time after you change the color, because it will make it very frizzy. It's very important. You need to control the time and times. Okay, the times and times. I have a video to teach people on YouTube. And don't blow dry the hair, or you will have the problem like this. It's very important. And if you don't put the protein treatment on the hair, the problem is bigger. Do you understand me? So this is the case. Remember, I hope you can learn from this, and I'm very happy to teach you more. She just started to notice that. She asked me, does it need any protein treatment? Yes, this is a very good question. She forgot to do the protein treatment for the 613 blonde hair. And I said this to her. We use a natural black to bleach the hair to blonde color, so the blonde hair is not like its natural black color quality. Then you change the color second time. Need to be very careful to take good care of it. Don't blow dry it too much. It's no good to the hair. This is what I said to her. Okay, now let's come to this one. Rather to do some protein treatment is important. No blow dry since you change the blonde color again. And then she said, okay. She said to me, okay, good to know. Okay, she just noticed this problems. Good to know. That means she forgot to do the protein treatment. I will do lots of protein treatments on the hair to try and bring it back to life. So this is what she just found out. That it's very important to remember. We use the natural black color to bleach the hair to blonde color. So this is the first time the quality of the hair is losing the first time. Even our own hair, when the ladies want to do the 613 blonde color or very light blonde, the quality will not be as the same as its natural black color. This is very important. And when you receive the blonde color wig, if you want to tint the wig or change the color on the blonde hair again. Listen, I'm saying again, you want to change the color based on this 613 blonde color, which we already processed it from the natural black color, and it will be the second time processing, and that means the quality natural black color, when it goes to 613 blonde, it drop a little bit, and then you tint the color again or change the color again, it drop even lower. You got my point? Normally, how I do with the color hair or the light brown color, I do a lot of protein treatment. And I did make some videos to show you guys on YouTube channel. I did a lot of protein treatment on the hair. I will combine that video together in this video so you can see what I did for that hair. It's very important. She forgot to do the protein treatment on the 613 blonde hair. So if you don't know how to take good care of the hair, it's easier, much easier to have issues with the hair. Then you will come to me and say, hey Arman, this is not the hair I am expecting. You understand me? Or rather you bring the hair to a very professional salon or ask a very good stylist. If you don't know a very good stylist, you contact me and I can recommend some good stylists in the US or in the UK or in other, in wherever you are located, in which country you are located, and I can recommend a good stylist for you. So, because I work with a lot of good stylists, they purchase my hair for many years, they know how to take good care of the hair. So it will be much better for you. Also in this video, I said, why did you leave bad message on our YouTube channel since you did not know how to take good care of the hair? Do you want me to do a video on the YouTube to let people know you did not treat hair in proper way to cause a problem? If you want the reply, I can do the video today and post it. So some ladies can learn from this. I'm honest. I want to teach people. It's very good video. She left a message on my YouTube channel, which may confuse the other ladies who want to purchase the hair from me. But I will not delete that message. I will not delete that message like other hair vendors when people leave a bad message on their channel or whatever. They just delete it. But I will not delete. I will keep that message there for many years, and also I will post this video there so ladies can learn from this case how to take good care of your 613 blonde, the 613 blonde color wig or any other color wig. Remember, if you want to do the second time processing to change the colors, to do the protein treatment is very important. Protein treatment is very important. Okay, and also before you want to blow dry the very light color hair, is you need to think it twice. After you deep conditioning or after you change the hair to the brown color, don't blow dry immediately. Or even you tint it, don't tell me that you just tinted the hair or what. After you change the color, don't blow dry the hair immediately. You just wait, and firstly you do some protein treatment to make it smooth, to make it shiny again before you blow dry. But I don't suggest to blow dry too much. The protein treatment is very important. I hope you can learn from this video, from this case. I think it's very useful for a lot of people to learn from this. So I'm very honest to share my hair experience. What it is good or what is bad, I hope you can learn from me too, so you know me better, how I do the hair business in this hair industry, totally different from any other hair vendors. I'm teaching you, I'm teaching people about this hair industry. Teaching is very important before you start the hair business. Thank you very much. I will make more and more YouTube videos. And remember to subscribe my channel, to click likes to support me. To encourage me is very important, so I can make more and more videos so you can learn from my channel. It's good for you when you want to purchase the hair from China or from any other country or from any other vendors, then it's good to you to learn from me. Thank you very much.